Good morning, my name is Karen Daniela Zamora Farfan. I am a student at UNAT. This activity corresponds to text 4 of English B2, Affects of Technology on the Environment. From my point of view, the environment has suffered a lot of damage due to the emission of gases from factories and vehicles. Also die through the uncontrolled felling of trees, which causes polluted air, health problems, and the greenhouse effect that later becomes global warming. For this reason, we see how the glaciers have been thawing, and in several cities of the world, extreme climatic changes have been seen that worsen with the passing of time weather. Technological development has given the human being the possibility of creating facilities for the execution of daily tasks in less time. Today, all people have the facility to access technological instruments, and we have become massive consumers. We constantly buy and discard products of all kinds without being aware of the environment, the image that is going to be produced. I think we should be aware of our action and set on example of others. And thank you for your attention and goodbye.